What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Elongate token. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with WeBull valued up to $1,850, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account, deposit $100 and choose your free stocks. That's it. And let's continue with the Elongate. We are on their website and it is a token, and here is their main purpose. Elongate is opening the gate between crypto and charity. Through passive transaction fees and active giving, we are exposing charitable causes to a world of untapped capital and the crypto audience to a world of good. And let's continue with their latest news on official Twitter page. They have for now 72.3 thousand followers, and since I made my previous video about 3 days ago, they added about 5,000 followers to their community. And basically, let's start one by one with their latest tweets. On April the 30th, they tweeted this: "We are on the ground of St. Helier, Jersey. From the heart of New York to more than 3,000 miles across, setting our foothold here is certainly just the start. Wherever our community is, Elongate will be there. Watch out." And it is a very nice picture, I have to say, and very nice place. So, next one is just announcement of the upcoming event, and in a minute I will show you the results of this event. Support from the crypto community is already flooding in. Thanks Elongate for contributing to Mark Rober and Jimmy Kimmel's color spectrum this Friday. And let me show you what is it all about. Elongate is excited to announce that we just donated $300,000 to Mark Rober's Color the Spectrum. This contribution was entirely powered by our community and will help build transitionary programs between school and adult life. And in my opinion, very good intention and very good results of their activity. So let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. It helps me a lot. I made my previous video at this point, at this lowest point, and my main assumption was that we have 3 bullish signs. First of all, it is a falling bullish wedge right here. Second one, we finished the retracement of ABC correction, and in my opinion, the bottom of this correction was right here, and I was right. And the third one, we had a confluence zone with this resistance slash support, and basically it worked. And from this point, we are up for about 76% to the top of this price section, and for now it is about 32% from our bottom. And basically it's very good price section, I have to admit. And let me show you some interesting details. This is our previous stop, and we are technically still in downtrend because we have lower highs with the lower lows. And until we break this previous resistance, this previous internal top, we will be still at the downtrend. And let me show you the measurement. I pull a Fibonacci retracement tool from this internal top to this bottom, because this structure is one single C wave. And what do we have here? We touched to the tick 0.786 level and then bounce back from it. And as you might see, in majority of cases, price action acts along the Fibonacci levels. And it's not 100% guaranteed, but it is still very possible that we might hit some levels with the different level of certainty. Let me show you one more thing. For now, I pull a Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top to measure the retracement of this wave. And as you can see, we hit exactly 0.382 level right here and bounce back from it. And it is not 100% guaranteed that we have to bounce from this level. We also have a chances to bounce from 0.5, and the most probable level of trend reversal is 0.65, 0.618. But we still have about 30% chances to bounce from this level, and basically it worked. How can this tool help you? Well, you have to measure all the waves. And in case that we have some confluence zone with other tools, we can have an assumption that from this point we can have certain actions. And different tools implies different actions. Let me show you this structure, and to measure this structure I pull Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, and right here, as you can see, we don't have any confluence zone with these levels. This means it's not 100% guaranteed, but it is still possible that we will have some reaction with these waves. And if I'm completely wrong and this is not the third wave, and in my opinion we have something like this. From the bottom, this is our first wave, this is our second, this entire wave is the third one. For now we are on retracement in the fourth wave, and we have to finish our fifth wave somewhere up at the top. And if I'm completely wrong and this breakdown is irrelevant, then we have to rely on previous supports and resistances. Right here at the top of the first wave we can have a support, because this was some kind of resistance, and for now it might act as support, and if we bounce back from it we will have higher chances to have next 5 leg to the upside, and in my opinion this fifth leg might hit this very top. This is just my opinion, and I might be completely wrong. But to prove this theory, and with the assumption that this is our lowest point, let's do some projections from this third wave to the top of the fifth wave. And to make this assumption, let me clean the chart a little bit. To make this assumption, I pull a Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave, and our current point will be potential pivot point. And what do we have here? We can have 3 targets. This might be our first target for the fifth wave, 0.786 extension level. Next one, potential 1-to-1 extension from the third wave, and the most aggressive target for the fifth wave might be at 1.618 extension level. And let me show you the confluence zone. Right here we have absolutely the same level at our previous top. We have a confluence zone with 1-to-1 extension. This means this level is the most probable for now, and if we will have from this point trend reversal, this might be our next potential internal target. And if we will break this level and hit 1.618 level extension, we will establish new uptrend, because from this point we already have higher highs and higher lows, but we didn't break this level so far. And when we will break it, we will have on a greater, slightly greater scale, higher lows with the higher highs, and this will give more chances to hit our targets. And I defined these targets in my previous video, you can watch it by yourself. Let me show it to you. To define these targets, I also pull a Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of entire structure, because we finished 5 waves, and let me show you that I have to adjust a little bit this top. And these 5 waves implies only first wave on a greater scale. This means I can pull Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of entire structure right here to the top of the wave, and our lowest point so far, this pivot point. And with the assumption that this is only the first wave, our third wave might hit 1.618 extension, and with the bullishness of the asset, we might hit even higher levels, 2.618 and 3.618 levels. But each next level has a lower probability of hitting by the price, and you have to keep that in mind. And on top of that, if you want to invest in this coin and this type of assets, please follow my 3 simple rules. Do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Second one, do not go all in. And third one, do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And as long as you follow these rules, you will be totally okay with potential profits and potential losses, because this asset is extremely risky. And you might have a lot of gains, but you might lose all of your money. That's why you have to be extremely cautious. So what should you do if you want to trade this asset? Basically, we have some bearish signals and some bullish signals. If we will break this previous top, it might be an internal bearish signal. If we will break this pivot point, it will be another bearish signal. And if we will break this level, it will be our major bearish signal. This means we might go lower to lower levels. And as long as this pivot holds, you can add your position, but you can add your position cautiously, strictly following my 3 rules, and in this case you might have a very good entry point to hit targets that I mentioned just a couple of minutes ago. So, with that being said, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. See you guys and girls next time. Bye!